One of the things that will help you understand how to set up your channel better than anything is ranking. How Google ranks, keywords, that kind of stuff. So if I could give you a bit of advice, it would be just to go on Google, play around a little bit with the keyword that you intend to make a video for, and do a little bit of research. And as time goes by, you'll get better with it. And I would even recommend that you get a keyword tool that you use regularly in order to have the most effective way of researching your titles. But just for kicks, let's go on here and we're going to search some of my keywords that I use, okay? iOS 8, Cydia tweaks. Okay, that's one that I use quite a bit for my videos, and we'll get a gist of just exactly how well I've ranked up here. And you're probably going to see right up front here that I probably am not a top contender for that. And as you can see, I am not. But if you add on 2014, okay, and let's try it again and see how it looks. See, the first time we didn't even get any videos to pop up. Second page, I am on the second page, but right at the very bottom, iOS 8 Cydia tweaks is pretty it's pretty popular. So let's do it this way. I do a lot of my videos with this iOS 8 Pangu Cydia tweaks. Wow. So those are some pretty hard keywords. Now this is that should have been iOS 8 there. iOS 8 Pangu Cydia tweaks. So now I'm going to do this top 10, and you're going to start seeing a difference now whenever I put top 10, top 20, all that sort of stuff in there. Then I get a better ranking. And as you can see right here, I'm right on the middle of the page of that one. But still yet, that's on the second page. What you have to do is you have to find a keyword or a keyword phrase that isn't so popular. That way you might think, well, I won't get that many hits. You'll get more because you're not having to compete with so many other people in order to get those. Let me give you an example. 30, and I'm going to show you how I did this. 30 free Cydia tweaks for iOS 8. Aha. Now look at here. Number 3, number 4. I'm not number 5, but I am number 6. As you can see what that did, see, just by putting in 30 free tweaks. All right, so if we take away the 30, see where that leaves me. Just with free Cydia tweaks. I'm not even on the front page, see. But I am on the second page. So, it's all in what you search and how you search it. And here again, if you wanted to put top 10 free Cydia tweaks, that's going to be another popular one. And you'll find that I'm always going to be somewhere on the second page of most of these at the very least. But that's just the Cydia tweak term, guys. There's a lot of other ways you can do that. And let me give you another example here what I'm talking about. Best 5 iOS 8, tweaks, Pangu 8. See, I'm searching for the same thing, but I'm just writing it up. Oh my goodness. Look who's in the top 4 positions. See, now that's what I did. I took that particular keyword phrase and I've been using it a lot in my videos. And so you guys don't take my keyword from me. But anyway, that's just a joke. I'm in the top 4 spots. And I'm even in I'm not in the 5th, but I'm in the 6th. So as you can see, I'm pretty well dominated the front page of that. I'm even on the 2nd page for Twitter for Pangu 8. So as you can see, the IntelliScreen X wasn't intended, for that keyword, but it showed up anyway. So you see how that works. So I hope that give you just a little bit of a sense of how this works. And I have several other keywords that rank, but I don't want to tip my hat to every single thing that I have for you guys. I mean, I don't care to show you some of the stuff, but if you look right here on this one, freecityoftweaks.com, that's my site. If you click that, you're going to be taken to one of my videos that is in my YouTube channel. I mean, that video right there is on my channel. And that's another thing that we'll get into here is how and where you should, embed your videos. So I hope that showed you a little bit about how to rank.